Do you know what's the biggest challenge in medical imaging scenarios? Time. Using the fully web workstation of PACScenter, it's possible to view medical imaging studies, easily report patients' exams, safely share with external members, and integrate intelligent image analysis tools for faster and more accurate diagnosis for hundreds of hospitals. Anywhere and at any time, with only one centralized dashboard, allowing to make safe medical decisions, be more productive and manage in a large scale, and focus on what really matters, because in health, every second counts. Saving time saves lives.